Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Notion AI feature. Notion AI can help you write, summarize ideas, translate text, and organize information faster. So let's get started. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Open an existing page or create a new page where you want to use Notion AI. Click anywhere on the page and press the space key on an empty line or type / and select Ask AI. You can also highlight existing text and click Ask AI to edit or improve it. Now, enter a prompt describing what you want Notion AI to do. For example, you can ask it to write a draft, summarize notes, create a to-do list, generate ideas, fix grammar, or translate text. After submitting your prompt, Notion AI will generate a response in a few moments. Review the result and choose whether to accept, try again, or continue refining the output with additional prompts. You can also use Notion AI to summarize long documents, extract action items from meeting notes, rewrite content in a different tone, and answer questions about information stored in your workspace. As you continue working, use AI whenever you need help creating content, organizing information, or improving productivity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Notion AI feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Notion tips, AI tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.